y'all, I got a real quick weeknight meal for you today. It's called Fiesta chicken casserole. You need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and go ahead and cook your pasta. And while that's cooking, you can go ahead and get the first little bit of your recipe going. You need to combine your sour cream, your salsa. All measurements will be down below. And all your seasonings. Mix all that up. Okay, and I've already cooked my pasta to al dente and drained it. So I'm going to add it in here. Okay. All right, now you're going to add in corn. And that was drained and rinsed black beans. I'm going to stir all that up. I'm going to add back my chopped chicken. I'll have to get a bigger spoon. So add that in, combine that, and I've already shredded some cheese. You're going to put about a cup of cheddar in here. You can use any type of cheese that you want to. Cheddar I always have on hand, always. Just a little bit more. Okay. Then I already had a prepared 9x13 baking dish set aside. So you need to put everything in there. We're going to put the rest of the cheese on top. Alright, I'm going to cover this with foil. And don't forget, you need to spray your foil, the part that's going to come in contact with the cheese. That way it won't peel your cheese off whenever you take the foil off. We'll bake this about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. See? Spray it. Stick it on here. 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, this is fresh out of the oven. You don't have to wait for like a bubbly whatever. Just wait till the cheese is melted. Take it out, let it rest a few minutes before you start serving. And that's it. You're good to go. Easy weeknight meal. See y'all next time.